Hello, in this video we will introduce named constants. A named constant is an identifier that represents a permanent value. For example, pi is a permanent value. So this, we can define this pi is with this fixed value, and pi is constant. It will not change throughout the program. There are three benefits of using constants. You don't have to repeatedly type the same value if it's used multiple times. Second, if you have to change the constant's value, for example, from 3.14 to 3.14159 for pi, you need only change in one place. Constant is descriptive. It makes program easy to read. But there's one thing we need to know is that in Python, there is no special syntax to define a constant. The only thing is just give a name. So this is what we do. It's give a name, it's pi. We name it using all uppercase for constants. In other programming languages, there is a special syntax, like in Java using final, in C++ using const to define constants. But it's still a good programming practice to define constants when you write Python programs, even though Python does not have a special syntax for naming constants. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.